received by which partner?
Okay. So be attentive everyone. You can solve it along with me. Question number 7 on page 139. Deepak, Nilesh and Pratik. So first of all write down Deepak, Nilesh and Pratik. Are the partners of a partnership firm. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is 1:2:3. Agarwal, old ratio. Okay, this is the old ratio. All of it on old ratio. 1:2:3 means what, Agarwal?
1/6.
Yes, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. Any confusion in that? Further. Which is decided to change to 2:2:1 respectively for future. Zeba?
New ratio.
New ratio. And what do you mean by 2:2:1?
2/5.
Yes, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 2/5, 2/5, 1/5. Any confusions up till here? Now read the question carefully. Under these circumstances, calculate what underlying gain is received by which partners. Now what is asked is calculate gain. Means we will apply the formula of sacrifice ratio or gain ratio? Gain ratio. Okay? And gain ratio, Dhwani, what is the formula?
NR minus OR.
What is NR?
New ratio minus.
We'll write new share. Okay? New share minus old share. All of it down. Gain ratio is equal to new share minus old share. Now I am explaining for Deepak and asked you for Nilesh and Pratik because we have done it yesterday also. New share of Deepak is 2/5 minus old share of Deepak is 1/6. Now 5 and 6 product only is to be done because there is no common thing in that. So what is 5 into 6? 30. Okay, cross multiply. 6 into 2, 12. Minus 5 into 1, 5. So 7/30. And in gain ratio, positive means it's a gain. Any doubt in this? Share, Nilesh?
2/6, 2/5 minus 2/6.
New share 2/5 minus old share 2/6. Next.
12 minus
6 into 2, 12.
minus 3, 5, 10,
5 into 2, 10 upon
30.
5 into 6, 30. So now 2/30. This is also positive, means it is a gain. 2/30. Are you all clear with this? And Namrata, Pratik,
3/6 minus 1/6.
what is the formula of gain ratio?
New share minus
So by 3/6 minus 1/5.
1/5 minus
1/5 new share minus old share 3/6. Next.
15 minus.
Why 15?
Sorry, upon 30.
5 into 6, 30.
6 minus 15.
6 into 1, 6. Minus 5 into 3, 15. So minus 9/30. So now, what did I tell you yesterday? If two answers come positive, then remove the denominator of positive number. If two answers come negative, then remove the denominator of negative number. Got it, everyone? Here we will remove the denominator of positive numbers or negative numbers? Positive. So these two, if you remove the denominator, how much will remain? 7:2. That is gain ratio. And in gain ratio, negative answer means it's a sacrifice. Did you all understand this? In the negative answer, for gain ratio, the negative answer will indicate sacrifice. Any doubts with this? So the statement will come thus. The sacrifice of Pratik, thus the sacrifice of Pratik is 9/30, which is gained by Deepak and Nilesh. In the ratio of 7:2. Okay? See, do 8 on your own. Because 9 is to be done by both the formulas, so that again I will do on the board. Okay? Do 8 on your own, it is a similar one.